Hey guys, welcome back. So today I bring you guys the third Halloween set that I've made for this year. I'm starting off with this orange and I am going to go ahead and apply 2 coats. Alright, so once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and get this gold glitter and I'm going to be applying it to 2 of the nails. Alright, so my pinky is the only one that's going to be black, so I am going to be adding 1 layer of this one. So I went ahead and made this mini ghost in my crease cut. And now I'm just going to be adding this to my nail, making sure it's in the center, and then I'm making sure to press down. That way it doesn't lift. I also made some little black dots. I'm going to be applying it to this nail. Once it's ready, I'm going to go ahead and add some top coat. Okay, so now I'm grabbing one of my glitter nails and I'm going to be adding these little Mickey ears. Okay, so I'm grabbing the gold glitter again and I'm just going to be adding it to the tip of the black pinky nail. Once I set that, I'm going to go ahead and start adding some top coat to all the nails. And now I'm going to be adding some rhinestones. So for this now, I'm just going to add 1 rhinestone. And I'm going to be adding 2 rhinestones on this one. Once they're done setting, this is how my set is looking, guys. Now I'm going to be putting them on. And this is how they look on my hands. They look super cute. I went with a shorter nail this time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys on the next one.